Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called a run chart. A run chart is used to study collected data for trends or patterns over a specific period of time. A run chart will help you to monitor data over time to detect trends, shifts, or the cycle. It can compare a measure before and after implementation of a solution to measure impact. It can focus attention on vital changes, not normal variation. It can track useful information for predicting trends. The run chart is a running record of a process over time. The vertical axis represents the process being monitored. The horizontal axis represents the unit of time by which measurements are made. The central line of the chart is the mean or the average. A run is defined as one or more consecutive data points on the same side of the mean line. So how to create a run chart? Choose which data you will measure and track. Gather data. Generally collect 20 to 25 data points with which you can detect meaningful pattern over time. Create a graph on which you can plot your data over time. Plot the data, interpret the chart, focus on vital changes or meaningful trends or pattern rather than each and every data variation. Using a run chart to test special causes. For example, the presence of too much or too little variability. Use when there are too few or too many runs. The presence of a shift in the process can help. A special cause exists if a run contains too many data points. That is, with 20 or more data points, a run of 8 or more data is considered to be too long. The presence of a trend. The trend is defined as an unusually long series of consecutive increases or decreases in the data, usually at least 6 or 7. Thanks for watching. Bye.